Hello YouTube, this is Diego Bustamante, also known as Supersonic Kazooie, and it's time for a video game review. Ratchet and Clank, the first one released in 2002 for the PS2. Wow, this and the sequels, that's right, the franchise has got to be one of the best games that I've ever played in my entire life. This is created by Insomniac Games, which is from the creators of Spyro the Dragon. And they come with Ratchet and Clank. I played it at my cousin's house. And it's about a lumbax named Ratchet and his best friend, who is a robot named Clank, and they're trying to save the world from Chairman Drek. I really like this game and its sequel so much because of the weapons and gadgets. This game will get an A++. Results right up. The voice acting. Voice acting is terrific. And Chairman Drek almost sounds like Gantu from Lilo and Stitch because they're voiced by the same actor by the name of Kevin Michael Richardson. The gameplay. It's really fun, especially because of the weapons and gadgets. The graphics. They're so cool and really sharp. The controls are amazing. X to jump, square to swing the wrench, circle to fire weapons and use gadgets, triangle to switch weapons and gadgets, L1 to enter first person camera, and R1 to crouch. Sound/music. It is just plain kick ass. Lasting appeal? Any gamers, especially Insomniac fans who enjoy the Spyro games from their childhood just like I did, will enjoy this game. Overall, Ratchet & Clank is one of the best games to own and is worth owning to your game collection. The good is the cool graphics, the awesome music, the pure terrific controls, fun gameplay, and stupendous weapons and gadgets. The bad, nothing at all. So, if you guys excuse me for a moment. Just had to open this up because I'll show you what it is. Yeah, as you can see, this is like a wallpaper. And here are the weapons, the controls on how to play the game, instructions on how to get started and starting up and stuff like that, and how to save the game, the maps, as well as the collectibles. Yeah, as you guys can see, that's what the instruction manual for the game is. Which is pretty neat, you know? And it comes with this PlayStation Underground ad. And here are the cheat codes, which I think they can only be used for whenever you have beaten the game. And here's the disc and how the back looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is Supersonic Kazooie signing out. Later, y'all.